Step 1. Unlocking the power of Helium10. To embark on your journey to Amazon FBA success, the first step is gaining access to incredible Helium10 platform. This versatile tool is renowned among Amazon sellers for its remarkable accuracy in estimating sales data. With Helium10 as your trusted companion, you'll have the means to navigate the intricate landscape of Amazon FBA product research with confidence. This platform is your gateway to uncovering hidden opportunities, identifying high-demand products, and making data-driven decisions that will propel your FBA business to new heights. So without further ado, let's dive into the world of Helium10 and unleash its potential for your Amazon success story. Step 2. Finding out your search criteria. Within the dynamic realm of Helium10, the first avenues lead to product discovery. While conventional methods often emphasize the product tab, our journey takes an innovative turn as we explore the keyword tab. This unique approach involves pinpointing products based on keyword data, offering a fresh perspective on Amazon FBA research. By harnessing the keyword tab, you'll tap into a rich source of information, unveiling products driven by specific search terms. This unconventional strategy opens doors to niche markets, allowing you to uncover hidden gems that might elude traditional product-based searches. Get ready to refine your search criteria, setting the stage for a transformative Amazon FBA journey with Helium10 as your guide. Step 3. Fine-tuning your search parameters. As we delve deeper into the world of Helium10, it's time to fine-tune your search criteria. These criteria will serve as your compass, guiding you toward Amazon FBA success. Pay close attention as we set the stage for your journey. Minimum monthly search volume. Begin by selecting a minimum monthly search volume. This crucial metric reveals demand within your chosen niche. For instance, you might offer a minimum of 30,000 monthly searches, ensuring that your product has a substantial audience. Minimum monthly revenue. Next, define your minimum monthly revenue threshold. This figure safeguards your profitability with a target like $10,000, signaling that the product has the potential to yield substantial returns. Maximum review count. To navigate competition effectively, set a maximum review count. For example, capping it at 400 reviews helps you focus on products with less competition. With your search criteria established, you are now equipped to embark on a data-driven Amazon FBA journey using Helium10. Your path to success is taking shape. Step 4. Launching your search expedition. With your meticulously crafted search criteria in place, it's time to unleash the power of Helium10. Your quest for Amazon FBA Gold begins with a simple yet pivotal step. Click the search button. This action sets the gears in motion, initiating the search process. Helium10's algorithms will now scan through vast databases, sifting through mountains of data to find products that align with the keyword-based criteria you have defined. In the blink of an eye, a curated list of potential products will emerge, each one holding the promise of profitability. This is where the magic happens. As you prepare to explore, evaluate, ultimately unearth the Amazon FBA treasures that await you. Get ready to dive into the results and discover your next winning product. Step 5. Unveiling your Amazon FBA prospects. As the results pour in from Helium10's black box tool, your screen becomes a canvas of potential Amazon FBA treasures. Now it's time to embark on a visual journey through the product listings. Scroll through the list. Begin by scrolling through the list of products generated by Helium10's powerful black box tool. This extensive inventory represents a world of possibilities, each item bearing the promise of profitability. Eyes on the prize. Keep a keen eye out for products that capture your attention, whether due to their search volume, revenue potential, or review count. These are the gems that could shape your Amazon FBA success story. This is where your intuition and analytical skills come into play, as you begin to discern which products hold the most promise in your quest for Amazon FBA riches. Stay vigilant, the next step is where the real magic happens. Step 6. Delving into in-depth analysis. With a selection of potential Amazon FBA products at your fingertips, it's time to zoom in and dissect a single offering, peeling back the layers to reveal its true potential. Choose your subject. Select one of the products that have piqued your interest. This will be the subject of your in-depth analysis, the lens through which you'll gain insights into its market dynamics and profit potential. This critical step is a gateway to understanding the unique opportunities and challenges presented by your chosen product. As you delve deeper, you will uncover the secrets of product demand, competition, and differentiation, knowledge that will serve as your compass into the vast Amazon FBA landscape. Get ready to unravel the mysteries and seize the opportunities that lie ahead. Step 7. Illuminating insights with X-ray analysis. Now that you've chosen your product, it's time to unleash the power of Helium10's X-ray tool, a critical step for gaining valuable insights into your selected product's potential. Click to reveal. Navigate your chosen product and click to open the X-ray tool. This is where the magic happens. X-ray vision. Helium10's X-ray tool acts like a pair of X-ray glasses peering beneath the surface of Amazon's first page for your selected product. It provides a detailed estimate of the top seller's performance, offering a wealth of data on metrics like monthly searches, average bestseller rank, revenue, price points, and reviews. With X-ray as your guide, you'll gain a profound understanding of your product's competitive landscape, allowing you to make data-driven decisions and chart a course toward Amazon FBA success. Prepare to unlock a treasure trove of information that will set you apart in the world of online selling. Step 8. Metrics that matter. As you delve into the X-ray analysis of your chosen product, it's crucial to evaluate key metrics that will shape your understanding of its potential and profitability. Monthly searches. Begin by assessing the monthly search volume for the product. This metric reveals the demand, indicating how often potential buyers are searching for it on Amazon. Average BSR or bestseller rank. The BSR provides insights into a product's performance compared to others in the same category. A lower BSR typically indicates higher sales and demand. Revenue. Analyze the revenue generated by the top sellers. This figure showcases the product's earning potential, a critical factor in your decision-making process. Price. Consider the price points of the top-selling listings. Pricing strategy plays a significant role in competitiveness and profitability. Reviews. Review counts can reveal the level of competition. Fewer reviews may suggest opportunities for newcomers to enter the market. These metrics provide a comprehensive view of the product's landscape, empowering you to make informed decisions as you navigate the world of Amazon FBA. Step 9. Gauging competitive potential. Now that you have gathered essential metrics, it's time to assess the competitive landscape surrounding your chosen product. Evaluate the competition. Begin by scrutinizing top sellers in the market. Focus on their revenue and review counts. High revenue indicates successful products, while review counts reveal the level of competition. Seek opportunities. Look for products with lower review counts but still significant revenue. This may be untapped opportunities for newcomers, as they signify products where success can be achieved without needing an overwhelming number of reviews. This evaluation process is crucial for understanding the competitive dynamics and identifying where you can position yourself effectively. Armed with this knowledge, you can confidently pursue products that offer a balance between demand and competition in the Amazon FBA marketplace. Step 10. Unleashing differentiation strategies. As you navigate the competitive landscape, it's vital to explore avenues for setting your product apart and maximizing its appeal to customers. Evaluate differentiation possibilities. Consider whether you can introduce unique features, packaging, or branding that distinguishes your product from existing listings. Assess if there's room for innovation or enhancements. Identify competitive edges. Determine how you can excel in areas such as quality, customer service, or marketing. Seek opportunities to surpass customer expectations and build a loyal following. By focusing on differentiation, you not only mitigate competition, but also create a compelling value proposition for your Amazon FBA product. This step is where your creativity and strategic thinking come into play, allowing you to carve a niche in the marketplace and thrive. Step 11. The iterative approach. In the dynamic world of Amazon FBA product research, adaptability is key. If your initial choice doesn't align with your criteria or appears less viable, don't be discouraged. Here's what you should do. Embrace iteration. Recognize that not every product will be a perfect fit. Return to the list generated by Helium10's black box tool and repeat the process. Be open to exploring different niches and products until you find the right match. Learn and refine. Each iteration provides valuable insights. Learn from your research, refine your criteria, and continually seek products that align with your goals and market conditions. The process of finding profitable Amazon FBA products often involves experimentation. Be persistent, adapt to changing trends, and keep refining your strategy. With each iteration, you're one step closer to discovering your next successful product. Step 12. Beyond initial exploration. Congratulations on your journey thus far. However, the pursuit of Amazon FBA success doesn't end with product selection. To solidify your strategy and ensure a long-term profitability, it's crucial to delve deeper into various aspects. Analyze market trends. Stay ahead of the curve by analyzing market trends. Identify evolving customer preferences and adapt your product offerings accordingly. Check for seasonality. Be mindful of seasonality. Same products may experience fluctuations in demand throughout the year. Understanding these patterns helps with inventory management and marketing. Evaluate suppliers. Carefully assess potential suppliers. Reliable and efficient sourcing is essential for maintaining product quality and delivery reliability. This additional research ensures that you're not only finding promising products, but also positioning yourself for sustainable success in the competitive world of Amazon FBA. Stay vigilant, keep learning, and watch your FBA business thrive with Helium10 by your side. And there you have it. We have explored the art of transforming your business with Helium10. Remember, it all starts with a business mind, the kind that dares to dream big and strives to achieve even bigger. So check out the description below for the thing that could help you do just that. And if you're ready to turn dreams to achievements, don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell right here on Business Mind. Stay connected for more insightful content that empowers you to take your business journey to new heights. So go ahead, dream big, work hard, and watch as your efforts translate into success beyond your wildest expectations. This is Business Mind, reminding you that when you dream big, you truly can achieve bigger. Business Mind, signing off.